Tic Tac Toe by me. Design. I made Tic Tac Toe. Wow. Go. My project is make Tic Tac Toe. Program. This is my program. My coding, I guess. Test. I tested it about 10 times. What do you think? If I have more time, I would make a robot automatically win. Play.
It's right there.
What?
It's already.
The Python thing. Okay, so there's like. Go ahead. I went first.
Can you explain to us what's going on?
So I just moved.
Watch out, the keeper.
So I just moved and I went here. Where do you want to go? Let me see.
Can you explain to us what's being entered?
So then he entered a row, which is here, and then wait, what? And then into column 1, 2. Wait, no. Yeah, because the computer program starts at 0. So this is 0, 0, and then that's 0. And then he entered 1, 2.
Okay. Okay. It says player 1 wins.
Wait, what? What? That's not something.
I think you entered something incorrectly. Wanna try again?
You should make it bigger. You should make it bigger. What do you want? Just point it over. Alright, 1, 2.
No, it looks like you have a little bug in your game. That's okay. It's one of your conditions.
Oh wait, I don't think it didn't say from last week.
Ah.
Yeah, because I did a goal. It was supposed to be a goal. Well, I didn't say from last week.
Okay, that's fine. We'll check it out the other saved version. Okay, so let's give a round of applause.